A watershed is any area of land that water flows over, through, or beneath. Florida is home to 29 major watersheds, the largest of which is the Swanee Watershed that covers 10,000 square miles in both Florida and Georgia. This large-scale topic can be difficult to teach in a small-scale setting. One way to teach watershed literacy is through the Watershed Game, an interactive board game that puts players in charge of achieving clean water goals. Through our partnership with the Environmental Protection Agency, Nature's Academy is offering a free Watershed Game training seminar in early February 2019. Attendees will learn the ins and outs of play from the game creators while enhancing their own watershed literacy. By attending this seminar, you can leave prepared to inspire positive change for the health of our land, water, and downstream neighbors. Visit our online Watershed Game forum to learn more about this exciting opportunity.